everyone! Today I'm going to a staycation. Not at a hotel, but at home. Let's go! For today's video, we will be helping you how to turn your regular bedroom into a staycation paradise. Let's start off with investing good beddings. Not just because it looks luxurious, but also because we all deserve a more satisfying rest time and comfortable sleeping experience. The mattress is the core element of every bedroom. A good mattress equals good sleep. Next, we move to mattress topper and a nicely fitted sheet. Right size of everything makes your composition clean. A flat sheet, or what we call a duvet cover, or more commonly known as a comforter. Then we add the accents, the pillows. If your headboard is not padded, consider getting big pillows. You can make it more interesting by adding textures and patterns. That way, it adds a luxurious feel. And now, we're ready for a photo shoot! So what's stopping you from adding that to your Instagram feed? If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and click subscribe to get updated with more of our content. See you next time!